Hi guys, welcome to We Fix Technology. And today we brought another video of Bagisto series, and we're gonna see how we can integrate cash-free payment gateway. That's one of the popular gateway in India. So people who are from India, that could help them. Cash-free is a payment gateway, payment provider in India. And if you wanted to integrate this cash-free payment services into Bagisto, I went ahead one step more and created a package. I repeat, yes, I created a package myself to help my developer brothers if they want to create Bagisto. Then there was no package before for cash free, and I brought one. And that's super simple and very straightforward. I'm gonna put the link in the description of the package. Let's see how it works. I'm going to install on the real time in my Bagisto application, and I'll teach you how it works. Cool. So if you see that, I have a brand new setup of Bagisto version 2.3, which is the latest version as of now today. And I'm going to open my CLI and Composer require vFix technology Bagisto cache free. Let me stop the server, inject the command, and run the server. It'll take few seconds. Okay, guys, perfect. If you see that the package has been installed and it also shows on the list. VFix technology, Bagisto cache free, it's injected. Now in second step, we just need to add into providers. So this in latest version of Bagisto 2.3, they are using Laravel 11. So little skeleton has been changed. We're going to go to the bootstrap, then the providers and inject this new provider, right? In step three, just run this command, php artisan config cache, and the job is done. Let me run the server. Let's see how it looks like. We can manage this payment gateway from the admin panel. If I refresh the admin panel of Bagisto and go to configuration and payment method, we should have somewhere cache free now. Perfect. See that? You can just put a title, a description of this payment gateway, add a logo of cache free, the key ID and secret key of the cache free, and the status, staging or live. And it should work perfectly fine. So guys who needed more gateways, comment me. I might try that. I've been working on more gateways. I might release more videos soon. I may not have all the APIs, so that's the little situation. So if anybody needs more payment gateway stuff like this for Bagisto, comment me, and if possible, get me the APIs of developer, and I'm gonna create a package for that too. Perfect. Hope you did learn something today. And if I gave you any value, guys, please consider subscribing and allow notifications. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye for now.